4 businesses you can do if you must succeed, if you must make money in 2024. Okay. Do you think that people are still not making money? Do you think that people are still not buying land? Do you think that people are still not buying cars? If you are not selling the right product that people are looking for, you are going to struggle in 2024. So I'm going to give you 4 businesses you can do to make money in 2024. Number 1, food business. People cannot do without eating. People cannot do without food. So if you venture into food business, you are going to make a lot of money and people are going to be looking for you because what? You are solving a problem that they need. Number 2, health. If you are into health, people are going to be giving you money. You are going to make a lot of money because every day people get sick. Every day people go to the hospital. So if you must make money this year, this is the kind of business you will do this year and you are going to make a lot of money because people must go to the hospital. People must treat themselves. So going into that line of business will give you a lot of money because you are solving the problem of health. So consider that kind of business. Number 3, housing. People want to live in a house. People must pay rent. People must buy land. People must buy properties. Okay? If you must succeed this year, start selling properties, start selling land, start selling houses or building houses for rent. This is one of building a house for business is the best thing you can do. Start buying and selling land. People must live in a house. People must pay rent. So this is a very lucrative business that everybody is venturing into right now. So stop wasting time and start doing business. Number 4, transportation. People must move from one place to another. So if you have the access to move people from one place to another, or you have the business that move people from one place to another, people must pay you money. People that are into transport business make a lot of money. Though it may not come in a large quantity, but it come little by little. But by saving it, you make a lot of money. If you can venture into this kind of business, number 1, I said, if you go into food business, you are going to make a lot of money. If you go into real estate, you make a lot of money. If you go into medicine, you make a lot of money. And if you go into transportation, moving people from one place to another, you are going to make a lot of money. It is not really about wishing to make a lot of money this year. It's about you selling something. So if you sell something, you are going to make a lot of money. So consider this 4 business, and if you like this video, please click on that subscribe button, click on that follow button, and share this video and make 2024 a better year for you. My name is Kenneth Uche.